I forgot the first question. Look, she gonna get me down too.
You're gonna have one of those things that clap.
Brandon
Take
talking,
two.
take two.
Alright,
You've had them for a year.
I know. Oh yeah. It's been a year.
the windows were installed.
Okay.
They've been holding up good. No leaks. Everything's fine. It seems like it's cooler in the house because of where they are. We're on the southern exposure.
Mm-hmm.
I purposely built it that way. The installation was great. They had both of them up and within 4 hours. And the cleanup and everything, they were done within 4 to 5 hours, yeah. It was I was amazed. Didn't think it was going to be that fast.
Really?
You know, we've had other things stretch out and drag out forever.
What has changed from your experience and what it feels like from when you got the windows before to what you have?
These windows have a silver backing. The old ones didn't. Not a silver backing, but silver built into the window. And it caused a more reflection. The old windows would land on the thermostat and create too much heat and cause the AC to come on. Where these windows, you don't see that. You don't see that the light beam, the sunbeam hit the windows or the thermostat. Yeah.
It's actually got three. It's got 3 layers of. It's thin, 3 layers. It's of silver. It's a really cool. Like, I don't want to nerd out on glass, but it's really neat. The glass that is in there is just phenomenal.